Sisters and brothers, I am going to read 12 sutras contained in Patanjali Yoga Sutras, which more or less summarize the essence of his teachings. Here goes. Yoga Chitta Vritti Nirodha. Yoga is the inhibition of the modifications of mind, that is, to control the restlessness of the mind. Abhyas Vairagyabhyam Tannirodha. This is brought about by practice and non-attachment. Yam, Niyam, Asan, Pranayam, Pratyahar, Dharana, Dhyan, Samadhi, Ashtau Angani, self-restraint, fixed observances, posture, regulation of breath, abstraction, concentration, contemplation, trance are the 8 parts. Now these parts are as follows. Yam. It consists of Ahimsa, Satya, Aste, Brahmacharya, Aparigraha, Yama. That is, vows of self-restraint comprise abstention from violence, falsehood, theft, incontinence and acquisitiveness. Niyam. Shauch, Santosh, Tapah, Swadhyay, Ishwar Pranidhan. Niyama. Purity, contentment, austerity, self-study and self-surrender constitute observances. Asan. Sthir Sukham Asanam. Posture should be steady and comfortable. Pranayam. Tasmin Swati Shwasa Prashasayoh Gati Vichhedah Pranayama. This having been accomplished, pranayam, which is cessation of inspiration and expiration, follows. Pratyahar. Swavishaya asamprayoge chitta swarupa anukarah iv indriyanam pratyaharaha. Pratyahar is the imitation by the senses of the mind by withdrawing from their objects. Dharana. Deshbandhah chittasya dharana. Concentration is the confining of the mind within a limited mental area, that is, object of concentration. Dhyan. Tatta pratyaya ektanat dhyanam. Uninterrupted flow of the mind towards the object chosen for meditation is contemplation. Samadhi. Tadeva arthamatra nirbhasam swarupa shunyam iv samadhi. The same contemplation when there is consciousness only of the object of meditation and not of itself, that is the mind, is samadhi. Tajjayat pragyalokah. By mastering it, the light of higher consciousness dawns.